Hi, Jeff with Wrapify here again. Wanted to do a quick demo video on image placeholders, how you can add those through the Wrapify sidebar or by creating a Google slide template. So here we are in slides again. We have the Wrapify sidebar opened up. I have a image placeholder in here. Our UI would be to add the image placeholder this way. It's going to be centered. If you have a scenario where you would like to, do something different, perhaps we really wanted a 3x2 matrix, we'll do that for you. There it is. Boom. It'll be aligned and distributed. So, once you have the image placeholder, you can start to, I'm going to go ahead and reverse that back, actually get back to here. So once you have the image placeholder, you can start to, add your chart in there. I will walk through this. And if I add this in, and once I add it in, we're calling a specific pixel size for the size of that box. If I go ahead and shrink this down, it's going to get a little pixelated. If I update this now, update this current, it should go out and get a better version of that for me. That'll be a little bit clearer. So there that is. See that function. So the other way that you can add, other image placeholders is through this theme builder. So I have a current theme on that I've selected. So I've selected a Google theme from this, selection of themes. And I now go to my theme builder. Once I'm in theme builder, I can then add image placeholder. So I can insert a placeholder from here. And as you can see, I have image placeholder, a few different, versions of how to do that. So now if I do this for myself, or for my team, when I use this slide version here, or let's go ahead and do it for this, slide version as well here. And I go ahead and drop these in and save those will always be there for those versions of the slide. So there I have it now. I have text, I have the image placeholder. So I can now go back and I guess I could probably close that out. There it is. And now I can just add this in, certainly add some text down here, reference my chart, et cetera, et cetera. So, okay, now I need to insert a new slide. And I would actually like to do the second version of what I did. There is the one with that image placeholder. I can now add a chart into that as well. So Wrapify is based on image placeholders for a number of different reasons. I've just shown you two ways to add them in, either just natively through our app, through our image placeholder UI, or you would do that through Google's interface to create a template. Quite frankly, I see a lot of organizations that would use a template to create consistent, content, consistent product for their customers. A lot of times slide decks are going to be, customer facing. So in the event that I want to ensure consistency of product, I can imagine a scenario where you have a design team create, one or more templates that most of your users would use, and they would have all these options basically to use images or data visualizations in a number of different ways. So we can kind of go back to this one and let's just, one last chart that we'll drop in here to show it one last time. But hopefully that gives you good explanation on what we're doing with image placeholders and how you can use them as a user. Thanks.